start new course in Python, which is called Interactive Learn Advanced Concept of Python. So this course will help you to take the next level of your programming journey. It will demonstrate the ways you can use Python in your day-by-day work. We will cover intermediate and some advanced level material in this course. This course is split into 4 parts. So the intermediate module, there is to cover the topics such as Unicode, generator, iterator. Parts of 3 courses cover web-related tasks with the Python part of course. So the course will contain the introduction of Python, and then introduction of argument parsing using argument parse, and then we are going to talk about collections, then context, then for function tools, then all about imports module, iterator and generators, then iterate tools module, the regular expression mini projects, and typing, Python built-in function, Unicode, benchmarking, encryption, database, and then super built-in function, descriptor, scope, web scraping, and web API, working with FTP and urlib, and doc test module, and unit test module, and mock modules, and introduction of covering Python. And then we are going to talk about threading and multiprocessing and current feature modules and some mini projects, and wrapping up. So let's talk about what is this course. So get a brief introduction what we learn into this course. So about Python and learning outcomes. So the Python is a high-level programming language what created Van Rossum. It has multiple uses such as web development, software development, mathematics, and script system. By the time now, Python is available in different platforms: Windows, Linux, Macs, and Raspberry. The indeed So we assume you know the Python some level, and we have experience programming level. So those who want to become a data engineers, those who are want to do some automation, don't want to develop a website, they can learn this course. It is intermediate course, and basic knowledge of Python as a concept is adequate you for learn this one. So learning outcome, Python and usefulness, connecting different server with the Python package, Python different module and how they are used, web scraping and how we can use web API. So let's talk about the second chapter, arguments. So have you ever wondered what the process command line use Python? These are the module called argparse, parse, which is a replacement of argparse. This is a lesson we will learn about argparse. So this is simple, and we use the import this module. And argparse has a method called argument parser, and then description and API logs we can do. So here is just import argparse, is give the description and set of usage section. Idea of here that when we ask the programmer we are creating for help, it will show you use this case print, right? And description default option is -h. In this case, for example, a Python args demo.python. So you can see. So description, it will show the description API log. So you can see this is my code, right? So we are going to write here, and we can run from using here terminal. Yeah, so same way we can run this program. And let's talk about this one. So required an option argument. Let's write some code that add the 3 new arguments that is our parser can understand. We will add these 3 arguments, one of them required, another 2 are not. We will look in adding the default required type and example, and give let's say multiple command line required. So here we type Python, it's give following errors. So here descriptor, argument, description, API log, then pass add argument. We are adding -x, action is required is required, and help for text for option. Parser dot add argument -y, help text for option, default is false, and type is integer. So here we can add x something, output will be x something, y false, y is equal to false, z equal to none. And we type minus x something, y tax, so is y tax, z none. We type whether tax is built error, x something, z something, the value of tax, there is invalid value tax, but we type here integer, so it should be integer. So x something minus z, so this would be something false z. X something, y false, z something. Short option is long option, right? X and store required true, help is this one. So this is how we can pass the value in the Python. Option that conflict, what we can do. So conflict minus x, execute, x and equal to store, help. So we will note that we have created mutually exclusive group, then we add the option. So how do we create? So add mutually exclusive group. We created groups, and then groups we adding this one. Parser add argument groups. Here direct parser, here is parser. So let's talk about how to. Minus x is not allowed. So mutually exclusive group, how we talk. Let's talk about this part. So you need to use like this. Uses argument demo minus x is execute minus y z z. So these are parameter. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.